Hi, my name is Joel Matthew, UR15CS177, and today I'm going to be explaining my fifth experiment from Java Programming Lab. So the question given to me is to develop a hostel management system for a hostel manager to maintain the various hostel details. So for this purpose, I have to use packages concept in this video. So in this I have created separate packages called main hostel, room details, storage, and main. 5 different packages, and each has a separate class, and I'll be using all the functions in those classes using the class called test inside the main package. So let's first see. The first package is for fees collection, which is in package hostel. So this has the attributes fees, mess fees, and all the other fees details with all the other required setters and getters. And also this has a function called compute fees, which computes all the fees, overall fees. And next is a class called maintenance, which is in the package called main hostel. So this contains all the attributes for the maintenance part, which has damaged goods and all the other attributes with all the necessary getters and setters. We have another class called room, which is in the package called room details. So this will actually take in all the attributes for the details of the room, like room number, room type, and the hostel name, and etc. And these are all the getters and setters. And we have another class called inventory, which I put in a package called storage. So this actually keeps record of all the items inside the hostel, like desk, beds, sports goods, registers, and computers, and these are all the getters and setters. So in this test class, which is in the package called main, I'm actually importing all the other package classes, hostel, room details, all the other packages. And in this I am creating an object for each of those classes. So this I'll be accessing each of the methods using the reference variables which I have already made. So in this, the user is asked for the choice, which as to which operation he wants to conduct. So we can actually enter student details or hostel details, or just display the details. So in the first option is to enter the student details. In this there are two more options, which is entering room details and fees details, and I have accordingly set the option. And then in hostel details, again, once we enter the hostel, it will check if that hostel is available, and then it will set all the details of the about the inventory and all the other details. And the display option will display all the details according to the ones which we want, which can be either student details or hostel details. So let's just run this program once and see how it runs. So here we have the console. So first we'll enter the student details. So let's enter the register number. So we have an option for either room details or fees details. So first let's enter room details, and the room is maybe HR hostel, and the room type will set it as 4-seater. So do you want to continue? Yes. So again we'll enter the student details, and again the same register number, and this time we'll calculate the fees details. So let's enter the mess fees and the food coupons fees. So automatically the total fees will be computed. So let's enter the hostel details now, which are the same hostel name. So once we press enter, all the entry and all the other necessary attributes will be initialized. So let's enter yes, and let's now display all the values. So for first we'll enter for student details. So as you can see, we have all the details for the students which are displayed here, and the total fees is computed. And do you want yes? So let's lastly enter the display the hostel details. So as you can see, the required attributes are initialized and they are displayed here. So do you want to continue? No. So this is my program. Thank you for listening to me. I hope this was helpful for you.